Tame tame yika. He should call, I'm impure, I'm impure. That is what the Metzora has to do. And the Gemara says in Chulin Ayin Ches, he has to announce to others his problem, his trouble, so people can daven for him. Ask compassion, mercy from HaKadosh Baruch Hu, and daven on his behalf. But the Yalkut Ha'urim wants to know. In Bereshis, when the Pasuk says, Vayishma Elokim Eskol Hana, HaKadosh Baruch Hu listened to the prayer of Yishmael when he was sick, Rashi says, Yafa Tfilas HaChoyle Lehiskaben. The prayer of the patient comes first, is accepted first before other people's prayers. So let the Mitzvah daven for himself, about himself. Why does he have to have people daven for him? Explains the Yalkut Ha'urim based on what the Zohar HaKodesh says. The Zohar HaKodesh says that the Mitzvah is called Musgar, enclosed. Why? Why is he using this word Musgar from the language of Sagur, closed? Because the gates of prayer, as if, are closed for him. And therefore he has to find other people to daven on his behalf.